presents branch-wise clips for JOSA counseling. Through No Prayas, its members and volunteers are trying to provide you the best counseling support and guidance. We are only trying to brief you about different disciplines in college, and we are not asking you to compulsorily opt for any specific college or branch. We hold no liability or responsibility for any misinformation that creeps in while following this video. Please take your final decision at your own discretion. As you all know that the counseling and admission season is live and all the soon to go college students are confused with what branch they should prefer as they're clueless about that branch. So we are here to help you out. Hello everyone, I am Saraswati Kumari, an executive member of Noprayas, and today I have Mr. Vikas Kumar with us who will be telling you guys about his branch and his college life experience. So hello Mr. Vikas Kumar, can you please tell us about your college, branch and where are you now?
Hello, Saraswati. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to tell the upcoming students about the college. So currently, I'm working as a software engineer in a startup company. So I passed out from IIT Roorkee in 2018, studying computer science. Okay, so the college life, I would say IIT Roorkee provides a very good college. You have every opportunity that you want to get. Like if you want to do good in sports, you have the option. If you want to do good in academics, you have the option. You are in college, and if you want to do good in extracurricular activities like uh, uh, any event management or anything of that sort, you have all those opportunities. So as a college, I would say it's a complete thing. You, what do you expect from the college, you get it here. And whatever you want to do, you can do it. And one thing I liked about the college was that many of the I knew a lot of people who were interested in computer science, and they were not able to get the branch actually. So but there are many groups formed in the college. Like you can join a music group, or you can join a coding group, or you can join a event management group, or anything of that sort. So many people were able to join those groups, and which helped them in their last year to get good colleges, good companies as placement for software. So uh, and besides that, there are systems for minors also. So many people go for minors, take whatever field they want to do, and they can get a minor degree in that. And besides that, if you want to do a specific course, like you want to do some specific course of a specific department, I'm not sure if that's allowed. You have to go through either a minor or some elective. So electives are there, but electives are mostly like they do not offer you what you want. They are very restricted. So I don't have very strict know all information on that. You can check with current graduates. I have lost touch from the college what all used to happen. So if you know a person who has been from the college and is recent graduate, you can ask them. They will let you know. And I have been in computer science, so I had a bit lack of information about all those things. Yeah, so that's that
Okay, so
about the college.
yeah, so as your branch is computer science, I'd like to know about the branch curriculum of CS in brief.
Yeah, so computer science is a branch to learn all about the computer science that is behind all your websites, all your Android TVs, Android applications, and everything, how those things are connected, how those things are operating. So it's about those things. So in IIT Roorkee, I saw one thing that they didn't put us through the technology. Like if you want to be a web developer, you want to know HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and those things. But in our college, from on the 4 years we were never taught those things. So those things are like they are expected of you that you will learn on your own at attitude at our college. So in our first year in we had a course on intro to computer science. So in that we were just told that you have to make a website for your profile, and we were never taught anything. So it's basically the science behind. You will learn all the science. Okay, so it's not like you will learn a framework or something like that. Besides that, what all things are included? So you get intro to computer science, then you learn about the operating systems, and then you learn about the networking, how the internet is working. You learn about the concept of programming, means how it came, and then what are the principles behind programming and those things. Then you learn about the data structures and algorithms that are very common to computer science people. And then you learn about, after these things are covered in almost in first 2 years of your college, after that you somehow get into specific fields of computer science. Like if you want to know about distributed systems, you get to know that. If you want to know about uh, machine learning, AI, data science, all those things, they all come in the later 2 years of your college. Okay, so it's basically, so you will never learn about how to use Node.js or those things, but you will learn what is the science behind them, so that you can learn any of those things in later time at very easily. That's the point. So yeah, so that's the kind of curriculum they follow at Roorkee.
So that was a very detailed explanation of the curriculum of computer science. I hope students out there can decide if they're interested to take this subject or not.
Yeah,
Now,
one
can
thing I want to say that you should actually have interest in computer science if you are taking taking this branch. Okay, so try to do that. Otherwise you may get frustrated in some courses like algorithms and data structures. Yeah.
okay. So now I'd like to know about the pros and cons of taking computer science as a major branch.
Okay, so taking computer science as a major branch has a lot of pros. First of all, being that you get a good uh, job at the start of your career, and that helps a lot if, when you are growing up. And even if you are not getting computer science at Roorkee, you get options to join those groups and coding groups, and that helps you build a career in computer science. And otherwise, so also since I wanted to do computer science, so for me the job is also very good. I like to do the task they give me. So that's why I focus, that you should have an interest on it. So pros wise, I think job is the best one. And other things is like, if you have an interest, you get your interest fulfilled. On the con side, I would say that it's a never ending learning job. So even if you did 4 years of college and then you came into job, you will have to keep learning things. And daily new frameworks come out, and you have to learn them to be at your to be at par at your job. So it's a never, you will have to keep learning those things. And it's not like learning a new language. Once you know a language, you can learn them in a pretty fast fashion. But yeah, there is a con that you will have to keep learning, keep growing. Yeah.
Yeah. After this, I'd like to know about the scope of placements in higher studies in this branch.
Yeah, so as I said, placements are very good. So I would say the example of my year when we were having the placements. So in on 30th of November the placement started, and on the third day, 3rd of December, almost all of computer science people were already placed. Okay, so that's a very good point that you get from computer science in IITs. So that placement is very good. And Higher studies, yeah, higher studies you can do. So as far I have not explored that part, I am still searching. But as far as I know, you need to have, if you have a higher studies agenda that you want to go for higher studies, then you should keep that in mind from your first year itself, and keep building your profile according to that. And once you have a good profile, you have some papers published, you have a good list of projects that you have done in the college, you have a pretty good chance to clear a good call university in US or Europe, anywhere you want. And you can go for higher studies, and even after higher studies you get even better jobs. And they, you can work it directly in America or something like that. And those options are there. And even we saw that in our batch, even 4 to 5 people went directly to America after BTech. They got a job in US. So yeah, that's also a good point for computer science in Roorkee. Yeah, that's that.
Okay. Uh, After you have told us about the branch curriculum and pros and cons of the branch, can you tell us why anyone should go for this branch?
Yeah, so I would suggest one thing. So sometimes people are very clear what they want. If you are someone like that, go with your interest, which branch you should select. If you are interested in computer science, then go for the branch. It's one of the best branch, I say, because I am biased towards computer science. But if you are someone like who doesn't know what to do, I would say computer science is also a very safe branch. You can learn things, and even get a good job at the end of it. And it's one of the, I would say, safest branch, because the placements are very good. And so it's a good choice. And but mostly focus on your interest. If you are interested, then you will have a good life ahead because of the branch. And if you are not interested and you have no other option, and you are getting computer science, I would suggest take it. And you would be able to get a good salary. If you have a job goal, then you would be able to get a good salary and all. Yeah.
So that was very nice interacting with you. Thank you, Mr. Vikas Kumar, for providing us insights about the branch computer science. I hope this would help the students out there who are opting for this branch in different colleges. Thanks.
Yeah,